Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor, aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Abyss World token. Ticker symbol is AWT. This token is just about to get a brand new central exchange listing. We're going to go over the information on this token and how you can get it in just 1 second. But before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that. Just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, the AWT token, is just about to be listed June 12th, 13 hours UTC time. So if you're looking to get this token, all you'd have to do, well, first of all, this token just got listed, is just being listed on Mexc Global, is the name of the central exchange. Now, if you're looking to get this token and you don't have an Mexc Global account, I do have an Mexc referral code down there in the description box. You're welcome to use that if you like. Basically, all you'd have to do to get this token is simply go right through that Mexc Global referral code down there in the description box. Open an account, fund your account with USDT, go into the trade section, search AWT, which is the ticker symbol, and then simply just buy the token. It is that easy. So, this token, like I said, June 12th, 13 hours UTC time. If you're looking for information on this token, their official webpage is abyssworld.games. This token is on the Polygon blockchain. You can find their Polygon scan on their webpage. They also have a Twitter at abyssworldhq. They have a Discord also linked on their webpage and a full white paper that'll take you over to docs.abyssworld.xyz. So, according to their block explorer here, it says they only have 10 addresses so far, so it is safe to assume that this Mexc Global listing is going to be their initial listing. If they have no holders so far, that would only make sense that this is the first place it is being listed. Now, 18 decimal places on this token. There is a total supply of 10 billion AWT tokens. Their Twitter actually has 182,300 Twitter followers. So, in a nutshell, Abyss World is a dark fantasy action role-playing game, open world game built on the SWE network and Polygon. So AWT serves as the reward for stimulating player networks by rewarding teams with comprehensive special tasks in the PvE section, individuals who climb the game leaderboard and winners of PvP arena seasons. So, on their document section, you can find all sorts of information like roadmap and development milestones, information about the game. They also have a DAO, so governance. So it says, welcome to the Abyss World, and the name of the Abyss World is Nordinia, the most endangered shattered realm in the Dark Worlds. Abyss World is an open-world dark fantasy action role-playing game built by Metagame HQ. So here, heroic souls from all over the world are summoned through the Hero's Gate to this final battleground to fight against evil and prove their glory as warriors in the arena at the far end of the world. So, what is Abyss World? So it resembles the city of Nordinia, the ultimate fortress city at the far end of the world, battling against the dark forces. The reflections of countless worlds are summoned around the edges of this realm to form the Shattered Lands. There are various soul fragments full of mysterious power scattered across this beaten path. Embark on adventures in the Shattered Lands to collect these fragments and use them as energy to summon the heroic souls, the heroes. But be weary of all kinds of banished evil that shall cross your path. So each heroic soul has its own unique abilities and backstory. They used to be generals, archmages, assassins, and other classes. Collect these souls and train them to fight against the dark forces. Each class's combat skills are different, pertaining to their past. During the training periods, players would have to build their own team of elite warriors based on their characteristics, abilities, in order to face the most powerful enemies in the deeper ends of the Shattered Lands. During invasion and combat, players would have to build a team from different classes and unite their abilities to defeat the enemies, whose level may be much higher. However, the hero's combat ability is not entirely dependent on its attributes, so combat skills may be more important. So there is a huge section here about the game. Now, you could read about the Nordinia mission of what players are supposed to do. The Return of the Hero section, the Shattered Land section. They have a whole section about the central city Nordinia, where you can learn about the Abyss Coliseum, which is an AI-powered auto battler. Then we have the Battle Arena, the Hero's Gate. So there's an NFT marketplace called the Abyss Marketplace, where you could buy and sell and trade NFTs, and NFTs are obviously used within the game. Then there's a section about the Territory, Tower of Heroes, Training Ground, Tower of Blessing, Forging Workshop, Alchemy Institute, and it goes on and on and on. Goes over the main classes of heroes, the races, the quirks, the growth, death, and honor. And then we go to the roadmap here, which seems to be somewhat of an extensive roadmap. So pre-alpha version completed, then blockchain integration development commenced. Partnership formed with AMD, Epic Games, and ICN. Founded Metagame Industries. Cinematic trailer productions, advertisements, public alpha release, launch on Epic Games. They're going to have the private alpha release, the PvE, initial seed fundraising, all this type of stuff. Project commenced all the way back in 2020, it says. So this is a fairly old project, but this token that's coming out is brand spanking new. So you can read more about their DAO, their governance, if you want to get involved with that. The economy of the Abyss world. Tokenomics overview is on here. So you could use this token in-game, obviously. There's different tokens. There's the MGC token, it looks like. Very tiny print on here. They also have the NFTs, and then they have the AWT token. That is a reward token for the Abyss Coliseum PvP battles. So you can win some AWT tokens. And yeah, so all sorts of information on here that you could check out. And you can find it all at docs.abyssworld.xyz. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section. What do you guys think about Abyss World and the AWT token? Make sure you guys like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos, where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And check out all the referral codes down there, especially that Mexc global one, where this token is just about to be listed. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.